On May 27th, come join us in Maastricht for a one-day event where we explore how AI is already changing the way we think about parking and mobility. One thing people definitely really appreciate about parking network events, we are obsessed with getting the mix right. Because let's face it, nobody wants to go to an event where it's just suppliers talking to other suppliers. What makes these days truly work is the dialogue between the people that are building the solutions and the ones that are actually using them every single day. Because this event, it's for anyone involved in parking or mobility. Whether you're working with the city, running parking operations, managing airport flow, or responsible for retail or commercial spaces, AI is already making a difference. Even in sectors like healthcare, education, and beyond, where parking might not be the headline but still plays a key role. You'll come away with insights that matter. And of course, venues, where managing flow is part of the experience. That is where it truly comes to life. We've kept things lean on purpose. It's just one day, but packed with value. Rain or shine, it's worth the trip. You'll rotate between hands-on workshops, high-impact speaker sessions, and the networking hub inside the MECC, where every single exhibitor has their own table. That means no booths, no sales pitches, just real and meaningful conversations. And as you wrap up the day, we have the networking dinner at Château Neercanne. And it's not just a dinner, it's the kind of setting where ideas evolve, conversations deepen, and partnerships take their first step forward. We'll be talking about real stuff, predictive analytics, city integration, vehicle guidance, smarter enforcement, and plenty of other real-world case studies. Shall we ask AI if it's joining us? It is the star of the show after all. Hey AI, will you be there?
Obviously. I've optimized my agenda and cleared my calendar. Want the highlights?
Go for it.
Smart people, useful content, proper networking, full-day immersion, castle dinner? It's a no-brainer.
If you're responsible for managing parking anyway, we'd love to see you there. For the conversations, the connections, the ideas, you can register now at parkingevent.com. If you're a supplier and still thinking about it, there may be still room for a workshop or a speaker slot. We can try to make it work, you reach out. Now, the event is on AI, but you don't have to be in AI to make the most of it. It is an opportunity for the industry to come together, share ideas, and move forward. See you in Maastricht.